In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up CMS collection in Webflow. By the end, you'll have a clean, flexible collection, ready to power dynamic content, like a blog, portfolio, or newsfeed. Start by opening your Webflow project. From the designer, look to the left sidebar and open the CMS panel. If you see a welcome prompt, click Get Started. Choose CMS to enter the content management area, then select Create a Collection. This is where you define the structure your items will follow. Next, open Collection Templates. You'll see ready-made options that include common fields and a dynamic page. Select the blog post template. It's a solid starting point because it includes the typical fields you'd need for articles and automatically sets up a template page for each post. Head into Collection Settings. Give your collection a clear, human-friendly collection name. Webflow will generate a collection URL based on this name. If a preview link appears for the collection page, click it to understand the default route your items will use. This helps you visualize how individual posts will be accessed once published. Now, go to Collection Fields. Click Add New Field, choose Basic Info, and select Plain Text. When prompted, name the field highlight. This is perfect for a short teaser or subheading that appears in lists and cards. Click Save Field. If Webflow asks you to confirm or save again after entering the name, save once more to lock it in. Return to Basic Info in the settings and review the slug. The slug appears in your URLs, so keep it short, descriptive, and lowercase with hyphens. A clean slug improves readability and SEO. Open Custom Fields to review the fields included by the template. Confirm you have a main image for the hero or header image on your post, a thumbnail image for cards and collection lists, and a color field if your design uses category tints or accents. These defaults are useful for consistent visuals across your site and can be connected directly to elements on your collection pages and lists. When everything looks good, click Create Collection. Webflow will generate the collection and its dynamic template page. From here, you can start adding items, bind fields to elements on your template, and drop a collection list onto any page to display your content. Remember, you can always come back to collection settings to refine fields as your content grows. That's your complete setup, ready for scalable dynamic publishing.